Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell P165G. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell P165G is making a funny noise, it's likely due to a malfunctioning fan or a loose component inside. This can happen over time as dust builds up or if a part has been worn down. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to overheating or further damage to your device, which can be costly to repair. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, some thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by flipping it over and removing the screws that secure the back panel. Take your time with this, as applying too much force can strip the screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back panel off. Be careful not to damage any clips along the edges. Now, locate the fan, which is typically situated near the center of the device. You can identify it by the wires leading to it and the distinctive fan blades. If you notice any dust accumulation, this could be the source of the noise. To extract the fan, carefully disconnect the power cable attached to it. This is usually a small connector that can be gently pulled apart. After disconnecting, remove the screws securing the fan in place and lift it out. If you're replacing the fan, simply reverse the process to install the new one. Apply a small amount of thermal paste if necessary when reassembling. As you work, take care not to disturb any nearby components, as they can be delicate. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the fan or cleaning it, it's essential to close the device properly. Align the back panel with the clips and press down gently to secure it. Reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this can cause damage. Once everything is back together, power on your Dell P165G and listen for any unusual sounds. If the noise persists, it might be worth consulting a professional. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean your device's vents and consider using your laptop on hard surfaces to allow better airflow. Additionally, keeping your device in a dust-free environment can help maintain its condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.